passagers doivent déjà être embarqués à la porte 52.
Here, one of the elevators here at New York City LaGuardia International Airport. It's got mad fixtures. I wonder what kind of elevator. This is elevator BA. As far as I know, this goes to the gate. And here it is. Oh, it's a Kone. I didn't realize it's a Kone. This is interesting. I'm sorry I did not show my Kone elevator keychain, so I do apologize. This is interesting. I'll go for one more ride. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get off this thing and head towards the exit. All right, well, so with that being said, I'm gonna have to talk over the music to avoid getting copyrighted. So there it goes, and that's it.